Hi, in QuickBooks we've got the option of a sales receipt and a sales credit. If we go to the plus sign in the top left, you can see here we've got a screen for sales receipt and a screen for refund receipt. So a sales receipt will be appropriate if we've received the money immediately. So we're posting the sale of a product or a service and receiving payment without giving any credit to our customers, as opposed to an invoice where we've got an invoice and then a separate instruction to receive payment. So if we go to our sales receipt form, you can see in the sales receipt form that we've got an option to bank the deposit of some money. So we have to pick a bank or cash account there to deposit money to. At the same time, we're selecting our product and service to say we've got some income to book into our QuickBooks. So it's all happening in one form. So sales receipts are typically quite useful for online sales, perhaps retail sales in shops, where we're not giving credit to customers. And to enter a sales receipt in here, we would pick a customer name, or if we're recording the full sales for perhaps a day at a shop, we might pick the name Daily Takings and record all our takings off our till roll in one entry. And within here, we will then complete the form. So we'd put our takings in there, daily takings. We'd tell it where we're depositing it to. And in here we would pick the particular product or service that we have sold and got immediate payment for. So if we pick a product there, it would feed through the product, but we'd be putting our daily takings in here, set to exclusive of VAT, but we could change to inclusive if we've got inclusive figures to put into QuickBooks. So entering into here would immediately put the payment to the account selected to deposit to, and it would immediately put our income records into QuickBooks and record the VAT on the particular sale. So that's entering a sales receipt into QuickBooks. If I quickly put that sales receipt in, it will record it, and I've got options down the bottom here to save and close, save and new, or save and send if we've got an email address for that particular client. I'm just going to save that particular entry, and from there, if we wish to, we could go at the bottom and print the entry from there. We can make it recurring, we can customize the style of our sales receipt form, and under more at the bottom here we have other options to copy, void, delete the instruction once it is saved. So that's entering a sales receipt into QuickBooks. Less likely that we will regularly enter a refund receipt. This is exactly the opposite of a sales receipt, so this would only really apply, for example, on an online sale if the following day we were asked to refund payment. So a refund receipt is the opposite of a sales receipt. It will ask us to pick the product or service again that we are refunding against, and it will ask us which bank account we're sending the refund payment from. So money going back out of our current account to refund a particular client. So refund receipt, opposite of a sales receipt, but quite rarely entered in a QuickBooks online file. But that's where you would use sales receipts and refund receipts in QuickBooks.